and in this video we will just go over everything we did so far in this training the box model module. The exercise is called review, training the box model. In this lesson you learn about an important limitation of the default box model. Box dimensions are affected by border thickness and padding. Let's review what you learned so far. In the default box model, box dimensions are affected by border thickness and padding. The box sizing property controls the box model used by the browser. The default value of the box sizing property is content box, and the value for the new box model is border box. The border box model is not affected by border thickness or padding. So that's the main difference between border box value and content box value. Take some time to experiment with your knowledge of the box model in style.css. When you are done, proceed to the next unit. Okay, we got the pop-up message saying that we completed the module training the box model. Let's close that up, and if you want you can experiment with the code here with box sizing property and much more, but I'll just proceed to the next exercise, and in the next one we will complete the first project in this whole section about box model. And the project is called the box model Davis Burgers. And let's start with the project.